Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Google Photos app on your Google TV. As you already may know, Google Photos is not in the Google TV Play Store. However, we can still install it. We're just going to have to sideload it. To sideload apps, we'll have to first place our Google TV in developer mode. To do that, go to Settings, System, About, scroll down to Android TV OS build and click that 7 times until you see a message that says, "You are now a developer." We're also going to have to pair a Bluetooth mouse because we can't navigate the Google Photos app using the Google TV remote. To do that, press the back button on your remote. Press the back button again. Go to Remote and Accessories. Pair remote or accessories. Now, place your mouse in pair mode. When it appears on the list, select it and pair it. Now, go to the home screen. Pan over to the Apps tab. Scroll down to the search box. Search for Downloader. Click Downloader and click Install. Once installation is complete, click Open. Click OK when prompted. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the Downloader app to download Google Photos. But before I do that, if you're finding this content useful so far, hit that like button. And if you want more Google TV tips, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell. All right, let's get back into it. Navigate up to the search box. Then start typing the following code: 2 1 3 7 3 1 6. Then hit enter. When the page loads, scroll down and click the Download APK button. Once the download is complete, click Install. Then, when prompted, click Settings. Scroll down to the Downloader app and allow it to install from unknown sources. Then, click Install. After the installation is complete, click Open. Click Allow when prompted. Now, you'll have to use your mouse and select the option to not back up. You'll now be able to see all the pictures in your Google Photos, but we're not done yet. This next part is very important. You'll notice that if you leave the Google Photos app, there's no Google Photos icon on your home screen. So how do you get back in? The only way to get back in is by going into Settings. You can quickly do that by tapping and holding the Home button on your remote. Then go into Apps, see All Apps, Google Photos, and then Open. I know it's a pain, but don't worry. If you click on my next video, I'll show you 2 alternative user-friendly methods that you can use to access Google Photos on your Google TV. Or you can click on this video here and I'll show you how to install Google Chrome on your Google TV.